Hi, students. Welcome to your semester. So today I wanted to take you all through the Grad Guru app. You've probably gotten a bunch of emails from me about the app, and hopefully you've even heard about the app, maybe from some of your friends here at the college. I've heard from a bunch of students, and they really like the app. It is very helpful for them to keep on things. So I wanted to take those of you who maybe haven't explored it through the app, even if you've downloaded it, could be helpful to see somebody else go through it to show you some of the features of it if you haven't explored everything about it. So let me share my screen with you. All right. So we'll open up the app, which is here on this screen, Grad Guru. All right, there we go. So the first thing you notice is at the top, and that is where we have tips for you. So right now, as you can see, we've got a tip up there about FAFSA. This is about applying for FAFSA for next year. So if you intend on being a student with us next year, this is the time to get going on that and to get that FAFSA application in. Those tips change throughout the semester. So make sure that you're checking those tips as you go throughout the semester, and you can scroll through them. Again, so here we have another thing about FAFSA, some more information about FAFSA. So you can scroll through these. Make sure you're doing that every now and then once you download the app, because we do change them depending on where we are in the semester. And the big section in the middle, of course, this is your calendar of events. So as you can see right now, we have a bunch of events coming up for Black History Month. So you could participate in Black History Trivia, or you could attend the guest speaker that we have. And you can click on any of these to find out some more information about them. So, for example, if we want to know more about the speaker, we'd click on that, and it would give us some more information about the speaker that we have coming up. So you can read about that. You can add that to your calendar. So if you haven't explored this, please do so. Also, if you prefer to see these in calendar view, just click more, and it'll bring up an actual little calendar for you. And then you can scroll through the bottom and see what's coming up this month. So as you can see, we've got the FAFSA priority deadline. That is coming up on the 15th. That's an important date that's coming up. But all sorts of other things that are happening. And we do update this calendar as we go through the semester. So this will change. When we book some other events, we're going to put them in here. But you can scroll through. You can go see March. You can go see April. So as you can see, we've started to populate these months with some things that we have already booked for you. So that's the calendar section. And finally, at the bottom is the resources section. This is the My Resources. And this we have put full of information for you. So one of the things we get a lot of questions about right now, because we're online so much, Blackboard support. And here we have someone you can email. We have someone you could call. Or we have a website you could go to that's put on by our system with support for students on Blackboard, frequently asked questions, and help with Blackboard. So we have tried to make this really user-friendly. Another thing that we have questions about is the food pantry. Is the food pantry open? Well, here we have a phone number you can call. We also have our website that takes you to our food pantry website. So this is a great resource for you. As you can see, we've got all sorts of information up here for you, all in alphabetical order, emails, phone numbers, and websites that you can visit if you need help in any of these areas. So if you haven't explored this, please explore it, because I think this is going to be super helpful for you. So students, that's the app that we've created for you. I think my staff and I have done a really good job of doing this. So please, if you haven't downloaded it, download it today. It's really going to be helpful for you. If you have any suggestions on things you want in there, feel free to send me an email. We're always open to your suggestions. And also, we'll probably be doing some more giveaways for students who download the app this semester. So get yourself in the running for a gift card. All right, students, have a great semester, and reach out if you need anything.